Alright, Katie. Go ahead. Oh, it's too dark. Hold on. Alright, hold on. There you go. Oh, it's so close. Awesome job, Katie. You're practicing so well. Oops. Okay. What was that? Who was that?
That's just a wall like I made up it and I just come down it rain. Okay?
You can hurt yourself.
I didn't hold myself because I have these. I hold my heel little.
What is that? You got ants in your pants? You sure you don't want to take dance again?
Yes.
You know I'm signing you up anyway, right?
I'm not to go to any dance.
Yep, you're going to go back to Miss Bonnie's.
No.
Yep.
No. I don't like dance.
You did really good though, and it looked like you had fun. Look at you! Keep going, keep going. You almost had it. Try again. Hurry, just try. You gotta roll into it.
Okay.
Go ahead. You gotta get some momentum. There you go. There you go.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Just try.
Okay.
Try again. You almost got it. There you go. Oh, you're so close.
Do you want me to put my whole foot like this?
Sure. You're almost all the way over.
I need you to help me.
No, you keep practicing. Almost, almost.
Oh, that hurts my heel.
Okay.
I need you to help me.
No, I'm not gonna help you. I don't know how to do that stuff.
Daddy does.
Yeah, I know.
Because he learned it. Not push it. Listen. Like, push it. But do not push it.
Don't push what?
You got to what you're supposed to push when you're done. Okay?
Okay. All right, Katie. I think
Abracadabra.
you made the dog bark.
Peel. Abracadabra. Out of peel. Abracadabra. Out of peel. Abracadabra. Out of peel. Abracadabra. Do a donkey kick.
Awesome,
Yes.
Katie.
How many minutes or seconds did I stay up?
I don't know, but that was amazing. That's so cool.
Oh, that was really long. That was for 1 second.
At least.
Yeah, almost. I have to do it longer than that.
Okay, try it again.
Wait, I just have.
That was awesome.
Was that the longest one?
I don't know, but that was awesome.
That was not the longest one. That was the shortest. I'm gonna show you. Do you want me to show you the shortest one?
Go ahead. Yep, that was. Okay, say bye.
No.
Okay, do one more trick and then bye.
To do another video.
No,
Yeah.
no, because I'm ready to go to bed.
Then do the video.
Do one more trick and then say goodbye.
No, do two more
No,
tricks.
one more.
No, I want to do those rolls.
Okay, then do those rolls.
And the Tommy cake. I want to do two of those.
Go ahead.
Is this the last one or not?
No, do the two you want to do.
Wait, the three I want.
No, two. Two.
Is that awesome?
Super duper awesome.
I only do it. Those are ones.
Awesome. Okay. I don't know what that is, but
I'm gonna do. I can't tell you, it's a surprise.
okay.
One.
Whoa.
Three. Do full row. One. Two. One. One. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, that was awesome. All right, say bye.
No.
Yeah.